Almond crusted roughy with grits and kale. 1 lemon. Slice the lemon into 8 pieces. 8 ounces extra sharp white cheddar. Slice the block. Cube the cheese. One cup whole almonds. Blend. One shallot. Remove and discard both ends. Remove and discard the skin. Slice the shallot into semicircles. One large egg. Blend. Using 2 dishes, pour the egg into one dish. Pour half of the crusted almonds into a different dish. Almonds should have the texture of coarse breadcrumbs. Smooth out the almonds. 2 fillets orange roughy. Dip the skin side of the fillets into the egg. Then press into the almonds to adhere. 6-ounce fillets work the best. If the fillet has no skin, crust the smoothest side. For precision, do one at a time. In a 5-quart pot, add 4 cups water. Bring the water to a boil. 1/8 teaspoon coarse salt. 1 cup old-fashioned grits. Use a wooden spoon to break up any lumps. When the grits rapidly boil, bring the temperature to low. Place a lid and cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Wait 10 to 15 minutes before you start the next step. In a pan on high heat, add 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Coat the bottom of the pan with the hot oil. Gently place the orange roughy in the pan, crust side down. Cook for 3 minutes. Occasionally press with a spatula to ensure contact with the pan. Don't crowd the pan. Cooking crust side first will keep the fish from breaking easily. The fish should be nearly cooked through. Turn and cook until opaque throughout. This should be around 1 minute. Using a fish spatula and tongs, transfer to a plate. Leave the remaining oil and almonds behind. Add the shallot. Cook for 1 minute, making sure shallot does not stick. 1 tablespoon cooking oil. 4 ounces baby kale. Cook the kale until it is starting to wilt. This is around 2 minutes. To the grits, add 3 tablespoons butter. Add the cheese. Remove kale from heat when it is mostly wilted. Mix the butter, grits, and cheese. This should be around 1 minute. Place 1 cup of cooked grits on the plate. Place a 1/4 cup of the kale mix on top of the grits. Place the lemons on the plate. And enjoy your almond crusted roughy with grits and kale.